Hey everybody, how you all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Are your girl, Debbie from down a yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome to the Jamaican cooking journey. Thank you all, my new subscribers, old and new. Thank you so much for making it West Indian Delights. Thank you for your comments. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you all so much. Love you all. Now, today, I am going to show you how we are still on the low-key thing, but I want to show you something right here. How you can stretch your budget, how you can get on a low budget. Have you ever been on a low budget, you all? Whatever it is that you wanted to do. Christmas is coming up and you want to get that present. You want to treat yourself to something. You want to buy mom, somebody, your friend, a dear friend, your kids. Okay, you all? So you've got to stretch the budget in order to accumulate certain things, because remember, the pay now go no more, it now get no more, and so many things will be there to do. So it's like stretching the budget, and I'm going to show you how you can still feed your family and stretch the budget. Right here I have one pack of frankfurters, and it's chicken frankfurter. I'm not advertising any brand, but this is the brand that I'm using, and I use this brand because they are more firmer. Okay, y'all? So we're going to open up this little thing here. Alright? If you want to use, this is chicken. If you want to use others, you can. Okay. Right over here, I'm going to show you. So there are 6 in this packet. We have 6 chicken frankfurters in this packet. Right over here, we have our choose something white. We have not too much, probably about this is like probably a tablespoon of oil, so we have it getting all heated. We don't want it too hot, so we have it on a very low flame, getting all heated. But please, I beg of you, rinse your sausages before, or your frankfurters. What's sausages? I think there's a difference between sausages and frankfurters. Okay, whatever. Please get them all rinsed before. As you know, fam, we weren't there when they were being packaged, We don't see it, we don't know what is happening. So to be on the safe side, we're gonna rinse them. Now we're gonna slice them in like this. It's a stretching budget thing, So you wanna slice it right in camera, girl. This is how you wanna slice it. Probably like a 1/4 of an inch thick. We want it for serve. In Jamaica, we say we want it served. So you want it to stretch. You're stretching the budget, okay, y'all? But be careful. Even though you want the budget to stretch, we don't want to lose any of our fingers to some sausages or some frankfurters. We call them mostly frankfurters in Jamaica, okay? So we're cutting it like this. So this is 6 and this is what we have. Okay, y'all? Careful when you're coming down to the end right here. So this is what we have. Nice little bundle. So we're coming right over here, flame up. And we're gonna drop them inside our frying pan. Choose something that is sort of wide, like a big wide frying pan, and you're gonna start stirring them around. You want to get them a kind of little a little brown off. So we have the heat. You see they start taking color already, but you don't want to get them in the oil when the oil is too hot. So it's best to put them on the oil when it's just, you don't want a big sizzle going down in there. Okay, y'all? And you're gonna stir. Those that are together, we're stewing them, okay, y'all? So it's stewed sausages. We're on a low budget. But when you scatter it out, you get it all browned up ahead of time. Now, where I've chopped here 4 of these size. Try to get the ripe ones, fam. If you can't even get riper ones than this, you get it. I've chopped, we call it in Jamaica, we call it plummy tomato. So we have chopped 4 of them. Okay, y'all? I've chopped 4 of the most ripe ones. So we have that here. I have 1 large onion, or next medium, because some of the onions are real large. So I would say this is a medium onion chopped. And that is what is happening. Coming right back over here. So you're stirring them off to get them all browned up. Okay? And while stirring them off, because you know yours truly ain't gonna edit out anything. You notice they're taking a little brown color already. We're stewing them down. I'm gonna show you how we're stewing them down. And I realize that some people are having problems there when the videos are uploaded, their notifications are not going up. What I would suggest, you just go up onto YouTube, sign out, and re-sign back in and see if that makes a difference, because all sorts of things are happening, fam. So we gotta work along with what it is. You see, we're getting them all browned off. You notice the colors have been changing. Yeah, so as I say, you do it on a high heat. We want to get them with a nice pretty little brown color. You notice they're changing. And try to use some sausages that are firm. Some of them are so soft, so we're using some firm sausages. And the more they get brown is the firmer they become. And I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. This one is taking color. You see it? It's getting firmer. The more you brown it, it's the firmer it becomes. Because after we brown it off, we're going to stew it down. So, we're rolling on and we're getting them all browned off. Okay, you see how fast they are being browned off? They are being browned off so fast. Taking color. But at the same time, we don't want them get burned. So please, you can't leave them. You cannot leave them. Once you put them inside the frying pan or your skillet, something that is wide, you cannot leave them, okay? So at this point, we're gonna add our onions. Remember I showed you the amount of oil. You don't need a lot of oil, just that. If you are using more sausages, then you'll probably use a little more oil, okay? Remember these things, they have been made from sort of meat, and some of the meat is of like compact meat and stuff. So we're incorporating our onions because we're going to stew down this baby here. So we are putting in our tomatoes at this point, okay? And we are going to incorporate our tomatoes. Look at this beauty. Look at this niceness. So we're working. Hello, please come back right in here. Is your stove and your stove clean? Take up your sausage, put it right back in your pan. And be careful because we have a lot of people to feed. We don't want to scatter them all about the place. And when they think if some people cannot get, wow, this is so nice. Look at it, y'all. So now we have it there. So we're going to get 2 slices of Scotch bonnet pepper. Not a lot because some people cannot manage to eat, especially if you're cooking for small children. And you know this looks so nice. Kids would love this. But it's also a dish for the family. It's so pretty. So at this point now, look at what is going to happen. We're going to take it to one side, and always, as usual, once you start cooking, I always say this, please to have some hot water in hand. So we're going to put right in about 1 of my spoon here of water because it's stewed sausages. So we're going to incorporate it with this little thing here. And fam, it seems as if I was not prepared for camera. My cover is all the way over here, but I'm going for it. Let's shoot them up camera, girl. Give them a look, give them a shot of what it looks like. And let me tell you something, family. The thing smells so nice. So look at this, y'all. Okay? Now we are gonna cover. And we are gonna come right back where we started at the very low flame. And we're gonna cover and we are gonna leave that for about 5 minutes. When we return, we're gonna gig it up a bit. We're gonna put what inside of it. Remember, I said it's 2 sausages on a low budget, and we're on a budget here, as I tell you, really low budget. So we're gonna have to stretch it out a bit because we're feeding some people here. Not 1, not 2, but more. So when we return, you'll see what we're gonna gig it up with and how we're gonna let this thing stretch. Okay, y'all?